Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix no sound during calls on your TCL 60 SE. So first, while you're in a call, then go over to your side buttons right here, guys, and now make sure to turn the volume all the way to the max. So this is the first thing. We probably forget to do that while in a call, so make sure that you do not forget about it anymore. Keep on holding it. Now what you guys can do is also go over to the settings. So let's go here. Now we need to go to sound and vibration, and here make sure that our phone is on the ring, and that here we have everything at least to 50%. Now while checking that, we can also disable the Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices to our phone. So basically, when a device is connected to our phone, it can route the audio there and not to the phone's earpiece. So make sure to disable the Bluetooth or disconnect any devices. Now what you guys can also do is try and clean the earpiece with a soft brush. So the earpiece is right here. Not to see a little cut, as you guys can see. So here's the earpiece. You guys can try and clean it with a soft brush. I don't have one with me right now, so I cannot show it to you guys, but it should work. Now after cleaning it, you can test it with another call or an app, for example WhatsApp instead of the phone app, and one way or another. Now if this still didn't work, then you guys can try and restart your phone. So hold the power button, now click restart, and it will restart automatically. So all we gotta do now is wait. So I'll see you guys once the phone is restarted. So now after a restart of your device, go over to the settings if it still didn't help, and scroll down to system. Now go to reset options, and now reset mobile network settings. Basically this will reset all mobile network settings, so just click it. Now confirm your password if you have one, and then click reset settings. So if the reset of the mobile settings didn't help, then go to backup all your data now. So click backup now. Here go to reset options, and now click erase all data factory reset. So here you'll be able to delete everything and bring your phone back to the default options like when you first bought it. So if it still didn't help, then it's probably the hardware issue, and I would recommend you guys contacting the recommended service for TCL phones or something else just to get it fixed. So that'd be it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a comment, subscription, and a like. See you next time.